you so much for checking out this video. This was a super fun project that was a complete experiment, and I couldn't be more happy with the way this thing turned out, man. This was just an idea in my head earlier this week, and I had a little bit of time in between waiting for glue to dry and decided to just kind of go for it. Just want to address a couple things. I've had a couple people ask about the way that the wood is joined to the metal and if that's going to hold up over time. To be totally honest, I have no idea. It's super stable right now. Everything seems solid. I mean, obviously solid at the end of the video, so I don't foresee a problem happening, but if anything ever does, I'll be sure to let you know. And even if something does break, I'm still considering this a win. This project taught me to get out of my comfort zone, to push myself, to kind of make something that I was proud of making. So on that front, it was a total win. Anyway, we're gonna keep this as a super short outro. If you're new to the channel and you like the content, be sure to hit the subscribe button. You'll be notified of any future builds. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.